This is your geometry test review for Chapter 10, Circles. Number 1, if the diameter of a circle is 132 feet, find the circumference of the circle in terms of pi. We have two formulas we can use for circumference of a circle. The first one, circumference, equals 2 pi r, or circumference equals diameter times pi. Since we're given a diameter, we might as well use this one over here. So we know the circumference equals the diameter times pi, and we're asked to leave it in terms of pi, so our final answer is 132 pi. And we'll put units on there, feet. That's number 1. Number 2, in circle C, PC equals 3, and the measure of angle PCQ equals 120. Find the length of arc PC to the nearest tenth. When you see length, you know you're going to have to use the formula for arc length, which is L equals A over 360 times the circumference, which is 2 pi r. Now we just need to plug in what we have. A stands for the angle measure, which is 120. So L equals 120 over 360 times 2 pi, and the radius is 3. Plug that into our calculator. And we're finding it to nearest tenth, so we do put pi in the calculator this time. And the answer is 6.28. The nearest tenth would be 6.3, so length equals 6.3 and new units. So that's our answer. Number 3. Calculate the area of a shaded sector. Area again. Area of a shaded sector. This time the formula is A equals little a over 360 times pi r squared. This time we're looking for the fraction of the area. And a this time is 80, so a equals 80 over 360 pi 12 squared. This time we're leaving it in terms of pi, so we're not going to put pi in the calculator. We're just going to do 80 divided by 360 times 12 squared. That's 32. So area equals 32 pi. And that's number 3. Number 4. JK, KL, and LJ are each tangent to circle O, not drawn to scale. JA equals 12. JL is 22. This whole thing over here is 22. And CK equals 16. Find the perimeter of JKL. So perimeter, we're looking for the distance around. So first of all, we've got 12 here, so we can put 12 here. We've got 16 down here, so this means this is 16 over here. Well, we've got 22 for the whole distance, and this is 12, so this will be 10, and this will be 10. I just need to add them up. It's going to be 2 times 10 plus 2 times 12 plus 2 times 16 equals the perimeter. So it's 20 plus 24 plus 32 equals the perimeter. Perimeter equals 76. No units were given, so we'll leave it at that. Number 5. Given circle O with radius 25 and OC equals 7, find the length of AB. Okay, the radius is 25. OC equals 7, so this is 7. And we want to find the length of AB. Alright, so what we'll do, since we know this is perpendicular, that's going to cut this in half. If we can find this, when we double it, we'll know what AB is. We can find that because we know we can draw a radius from any center of a circle to the outside. We'll make this 25 here. And now we can just use Pythagorean theorem. We're going to do 7 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared. It's 49 plus x squared equals 625. Subtract 49 from both sides. X squared equals 576. Square root of that. X equals 24. And AB is twice that, so AB equals 48. And that's our answer. Number 6. Find the value of x. Okay, well, we've got 200 here. We've got 80 on this side. So let's find out what this arc is over here. So we know we've got 280. And we'll subtract that from 360. It gives us 80, so this arc over here is 80. Since these arcs are the same, these pieces are going to be the same, so this is just going to be 4 right there. So x equals 4. That's number 6. Number 7. Circle OAB equals 56 centimeters. Find the length of CF. Okay, AB is this whole distance here. It's 56, so I usually cut that in half. Cut this 28 and this 28. We know if these are equidistant from the center and they're both parallel, that means these are going to be the same as these over here. So this is going to be 28 and this is going to be 28. So CF equals 28. Number 8. Given AC is the diameter of circle O and arc, the measure of BA is 128. Find the measure of CAB. Okay. AC is the diameter, that means it's going through the center. BA is 128. Find the measure of arc CAB. Well, we're going all the way from here, all the way around to here. We know this part over here is 180. So if we do 180 plus 128, that gives us 308 degrees. Number 9. Given AC is the diameter of circle O, and the measure of BA equals 128, find the measure of angle BOC. Okay, well, again, we've got AC's diameter. And this is BA. Okay, so we know if this is the diameter, these two are going to add up to 180. So if we do 180 minus 128 this time, that gives us 52 for this arc. And since we know that this is the central angle, these angles are going to be the same, so angle BOC, measure of angle BOC equals 52 degrees. Number 10. You're given in circle O the measure of BC equals 84. Find the measure of BAC. Well, we know that this is an inscribed angle, and the rule is inscribed angle when the vertex is on the circle is equal to half of the arc that it intercepts. So all we have to do is do 84 divided by 2, and that gives us 42 degrees. And that is our answer.